everyone, and I'm back again with the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent. And we are on day 6. So, I wonder what color that's going to be. Getting out the other colors that we've already opened so we can show them. So let's see what day 6 has in store for us. Where is the lid? There's the lid. Alright. So, day 6 is in entirely different color. Look at how beautiful that is. That's really pretty. So we will go back in and pull these out. If I could open them. they're in the bag. So, alright. So we pull them out and we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are some gorgeous colors in there. Absolutely pretty. So I like that. So let us see what tomorrow holds. Stay safe. Be kind to one another. Happy yarning. Bye now.